Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we're going to be learning about lot size, okay, or lots. So we're going to be learning what lot means in Forex or in Forex trading. So a lot is the amount of currency bought or sold in a single trade. It's the standard measure of the units of currency a trader buys or sells, okay? So as traders, we use what we call lot sizes. You might have heard a trader say, okay, I used this lot size, I used one lot size, I used 1 point something lot size, I used this lot size and that lot size. So that's that terminology, lots, is actually the measure of how much of the currency pair that trader buys or sells. Okay, so we have what we call a standard lot, which is 1.0. So a standard lot is basically 100,000 units of the base currency. So if you are trading a standard lot, it means you are buying or selling 100,000 units of the base currency. And remember, I told you the base currency is the first currency listed. Okay, that's for example, here we have GBP USD. So the base currency is GBP and the quote currency is USD. So a standard lot will be buying 100,000 units of GBP. Okay, so that's what is known as a standard lot. So when you're entering a trade with a standard lot or with a standard lot size, you're going to be buying 100,000 units of the base currency. That's GBP in this case. So some of you might be asking, or might be surprised, or might be saying, okay, 100,000 units, that's so much. You might not have that much money to enter that trade or to facilitate that trade. But that's not for you to worry about, because like I said before, or like I told you in passing in one of the previous videos, in Forex trading, we use what we call leverage. So leverage is basically the broker lending you his money to help you facilitate your trades. Okay, so when you use leverage, you'll be able to buy as much as 100,000 units, okay, which is a standard lot. So that's what leverage does. That's it for a standard lot. And then next we have a mini lot, which is 10,000 units of the base currency. So a mini lot is 0.1, and then we have what we call micro lots, which is 0.01, which is 1,000 units of the base currency. So we have an example here. So if the Euro USD exchange rate as at this time is 1.30000, and then so it means one standard lot of the base currency, which is euro, would be 100,000 times 1.3. Okay, that's 130,000 units. So this means that at this current price, you will need 130,000 units of the quote currency, okay, which is USD, to buy 100,000 units of the base currency. Okay, that's when you're using standard lots in this case. So that's basically for the concept of lots or lot sizes. We're going to be working with lot sizes rather in our subsequent videos, where we'll be entering trades. Remember, we're going to be entering live trades in this course. So we're going to be using lot sizes a lot, because every trade you enter must have a lot size. Your lot size basically determines how much your risk exposure is to the market. Okay, and so it means we're going to be working a lot with lot sizes. So that will be it for this video, and see you in the next.